Race number 10. Racing just is started. We have Precious Metal. First to show quickness at the start. Has it coming is on the outside. Masaganang Ani. Hard Power. Dieguito. Then next online. Webedi Pebrero. Real Heaven. While Ninjitsu is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn. We have Precious Metal by about a neck. Moving up on the outside. Has it coming. Masaganang Ani. Inter down on the inside. Dieguito 9 de Pebrero is down in fifth. Then next online is Hard Power, then followed over by Real Heaven, while Ninjitsu still running at the tail of the field. Inside the tres octavo we have Hasit coming, followed by Precious Metal in second. Dieguito is down in third. Moving up now on the outside is 9 de Pebrero to take third. Then comes Masaganang Ani, Real Heaven, then next online Hard Power, while Ninjitsu now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Has it coming by over a length, moving up on the outside. Now is 9 de Pebrero. Down on the inside is Precious Metal. We have Has it coming, 9 de Pebrero. Precious Metal is down on the inside. Has it coming, 9 de Pebrero is on the outside. Has it coming, and by the it's a close finish between Precious Metal. Has it coming, 9 de Pebrero. Then comes Masaganang Ani. Number 2, Dieguito.
It's what an